Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Reddy 28033. Today I am going to explain about company review session on Tata Steels. Tata Steels. We also make tomorrow. Tata Steels Limited, formerly known as Tata Iron Steel Company. It is an Indian multinational steel making company located in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand and headquartered in Kolkata. It is a subsidiary group of Tata Group. Tata Steels operates in 26 countries with key operations in India, Netherlands and also in United Kingdom. And it also employs around 80,500 people. It is the largest plant located in Jamshedpur. It is the second steel largest company in India with the annual capacity of 13 million tons. Vision. Consistent with the vision and values founder Jamshedji Tata, Tata Steel strives to strengthen India's industrial base through effective utilization of staff and materials. The means to achieve this are cutting-edge technology and high productivity consistent with modern management practices. Vision. We aspire to be the global steel industry benchmark for value creation and corporate citizenship. The founder of Tata Steel Tata Company was Jamshedji Tata. It is founded in 1907, 25th August, headquartered in Mumbai, state Maharashtra. Their parent company is Tata Groups. About chairman. N. Chandrasekaran as chairman of the board was appointed on January 13, 2017. He is the chairman designate of Tata Steel and currently the CEO and Managing Director of Tata Consultancy Services. These are the board of the directors guiding the path to tomorrow. Their top competitors are JSW Steel, Acer Steel, SAIL, Super Steel Group. SWOT analysis. Strength. Strong backing of Tata brand name, adaptability of company in the fast changing environment, control over raw materials. Weakness. Operational efficiency are not as good as international leaders, slightly lagging in technology front. Opportunities. Newer technologies, the Corex process, himself process, direct iron ore smelting, public-private partnership. Threats are rising coal prices. India is plagued with violent agitation against land acquisition, international competition, government and regulatory norms. Maternal and CSR activity. Maternal and newborn survival initiative. MANSI focuses on working with pregnant women, mothers, and children on the issue of infant mortality through partnership with the government and national and international NGOs. Drinking water. They install and repair drinking water facilities such as hand tube wells, deep bore wells, and piped drinking water. This is the financial analysis of Tata Steels in crores according to the March 2020. Their total revenue is 60,840 crores according to the March. This is the current market stock price of Tata Steels. BSE is 398.35, NSE is 398.55. Thank you.